Hello you guys, welcome to another crochet tutorial. In this video we will learn how to make this beautiful and easy heart. Let's get started. First, we will start by making the first slip knot. Then we will be making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we close the circle by a slip knot. We make 4 chains, 3, 4, then 3 treble crochets, 1, 2, 3, 'Now we make 4 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3, 4. To finish the first half of the heart, we make 1 last treble crochet. Now we make 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we make 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, and 3. To close the heart, we will make 4 chains and finish off by making 1 last slip knot, like this. Now we finish by making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. try to tighten the chain to make a knot, and here is your final crochet heart. This is the easiest way to make a crochet heart. It's beautiful and you can use it to decorate different crochet projects. In the following videos, I will share with you different types of making a crochet heart. So, see you in the next video. Goodbye!